Assalamu alaikum. This is Sayyid Arshad Khurshid and you are watching my channel iTrap Productions. Today I will tell you some amazing calculations that you have never heard before. You may know that the distance between Pul and Sirat is 15,000 years according to the meaning of Hadith. But have you ever wondered how much this distance is in miles? What is the distance from one sky to another sky? How big hellish will grow up in hell? And so on and so forth. How many miles will the rule of the lower Jannati cover? How far will the fragrance of the maidens, whore of heavens, perfume their husbands? How long will their intercourse last? How long Siratul Muntaha is? How many miles does hell go by reciting Durud once? What do Pluto and Pura Sirat have in common? This video has been made with complete and comprehensive research. The preparation of this video involves reading 11,000 books. May Allah accept this tireless struggle. Ameen. Allah knows the unseen. Watch and listen to the video very carefully. The Muslim scholars, wherever the word distance has appeared in the Hadith, have referred to the distance covered by the fastest horse. This video will also provide an excellent scientific information. For convenience, distances are stated in miles only, so that there is no confusion or ambiguity will be created. A scholar says that when the beloved of Allah Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam has described the distance in this way, then it refers to the distance that a fast rider can cover in a specified period of time, and he does not get tired during that time, nor did he stop somewhere in between. Why we do not consider the Buraq the most fastest sacred horse ever, I will tell you later. This video will also provide information about scientific references. 54.68, the fastest speed of a horse measured in miles per hour in a world record. Since this speed is the speed of the fastest horse, we proceed with the same horse speed as the ideal. 1 second of light equals 142 days for a horse, or that 1 second of light equivalent to the 4 months and 22 days journey of a light speed ideal horse. That is 186,000 miles per second. Let us calculate how fast this horse or its expert rider is and how long. I am going to show you the table in which the distance is in miles per hour and how long light will take time to travel these distances. I will explain to you in detail. Speed of light is 186,000 miles per second, and speed of light per hour is 66,016,690 miles per hour. An ideal horse can cover a distance of 55 miles per hour. There are 3600 seconds in an hour. 1 mile can be covered by light is determined by simple equation as shown in video. 55 miles to travel by light according to a calculation is 0.00029 seconds. Since an Islamic year does not last more than 355 days and the Hadith always refer to the Islamic year, and I have also considered the Islamic year. You can also see the Julian calendar and the chart of the Islamic year. The essence, the first creation, Tafsir Nasfi and Tafsir Ruhul Bayan. There is a saying of Hazrat Ibn Abbas radhiyallahu anhu that Allah created the essence first. Its length and breadth are 1000 and 10,000 years. In 1,000 years, the ideal horse travels 46,522,000 miles and 4.5 billion miles in 10,000 years. We do not know what this essence is. Scientists believe that the universe began with a great explosion. But what caused this explosion? Researchers are unable to say anything about it. Probably the essence which Hazrat Abdullah ibn Abbas mentioned in his saying, is this the greatest element of the universe, which is the building block of the universe. We don't know anything about that. The length of the Sirat Bridge is 7 billion miles. It is narrated on the authority of Hazrat Sayyidina Fadil bin Ayyaz that the journey of the Sirat Bridge is of 15,000 years, 5,000 years of ascent, 5,000 years of descent, and 5,000 years of straight. The Pule Sirat is thinner than the hair and is sharper than the edge of the sword. It is built on the back of the hell. Only those who are weak due to fear of Allah will be able to cross it. There are 355 days in an Islamic year and 8,520 hours in a year. So in 1,000 years, it became 8.52 million hours. Now we will multiply it by the speed of the ideal horse, which is 54.68 miles per hour. Thus the distance of the 1,000 year is 46 crore 59 million miles and 4.5 billion in 10,000 years. This is the distance of building block of the universe in miles. Similarly, the length of the Sirat Bridge has also been calculated. One question that must come to the mind of the science students is that by now the largest star that is discovered so far will be even bigger than the distance of the two skies, according to our calculations, which is not possible in any way. I will explain it in my next video. Until and unless, Allah Hafiz. What are the common things between Sirat Bridge and Pluto? How many miles will the palace of the heaven be? Whose tent and whose ascent? What is the speed of the Solomon's throne? What was the speed of the Hazrat Asif bin Barkhia and Zakwan Jinn? How many miles long is the height of the Halish?